Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to reset all settings in Android mobile. So as I am using Samsung mobile, but you can use this method in Redmi and other mobiles. So what you have to do, first you have to just go to settings, and when you go to settings you have to scroll down, and here you will see general setting. Okay, general management or general setting, or if you are not finding it, just here search for general. Okay, then you have to go to general setting, and then you have to scroll down, and here you will see reset option. Just click on reset, and now scroll down, and here you will see reset all settings. Okay, now click on it, and here you will see reset will start setting on. This will reset all the settings on your phone except security setting, language setting, account, personal account, and setting for download apps. So now just click on reset. Now you have to enter your pin here. Okay, click on done, and just click on reset. Restarting device to reset settings. So now the device will restart. So like this you can reset your settings. So if you like this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.